Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the dirty little secret of skincare under quarantine. Before we get started, my name is Zhenia Gilday. I'm a skincare consultant specializing in skin nutrition. I got a message from my client this morning asking me if now is a good time to start using retinol. She's been wanting to try it for a while, but she's been postponing it because she didn't want to have any side effects while she was on her job. So now that she's staying home more, she's not socializing, she feels like maybe it's time now to start using retinol. In this video, I'm going to answer two questions. Question number one, is it a good time to start using active skincare ingredients in your skincare routine? And question number two, if not, then what should you be focusing on instead? The answer to the first question will be different for everybody. So if you're just starting out your skincare journey, you're not going to be starting with active ingredients, and it's not just during the quarantine, during any time. You just should focus on your basics. You should just get a good gentle cleanser, good moisturizer, sunscreen, eye cream. So those are the things I would focus on if you're just starting out. But if you already have an established skincare routine, and you know that all the products that you've chosen are right for your skin type, then now may be a good time to start using retinol or HAs or some other active ingredients, especially if you want to focus on any scarring or anti-aging or just, prevent the aging. Before you start using all of those active ingredients in your routine, there's one thing I want you to think about, and it's your skin barrier. So your skin barrier holds the moisture in, and it keeps all the pollutants and bacteria and irritants out. But when we experience so much stress on a daily basis, so much uncertainty about the future, it really affects our skin. So right now, you're probably feeling, I know I am, that your skin may be a little bit more fragile, a little bit more sensitive. So if you start using active ingredients on the skin that's more fragile, it's actually gonna impair your barrier even more. Especially if you have a mature skin, you're gonna experience, again, even more side effects. I'm not telling you not to start using active ingredients. I'm just telling you to kind of like monitor your skin responses. So if you may need to give your skin a little bit more time to recover than you normally would. But again, if you're not too sensitive right now, then go ahead and start using those active ingredients. But regardless if you're using active ingredients or not, there's one thing that you can definitely do to improve your skin right now during the quarantine. It leads to that dirty little secret I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And this number one ingredient you should introduce in your routine right now is ceramides. So ceramides help you repair your moisture barrier. It's something that's naturally found in our body. It's a lipid that holds our skin cells together. And it's been clinically proven to increase barrier function of our skin. So whether you use an active ingredients right now or you don't use them, you need to introduce ceramides into your routine. And ceramides are good for all skin types. Again, they're naturally produced in the body. But if you have oily skin and you're worried that they're gonna make you oily, there's products that have lighter texture that's not gonna make you oily and greasy. And I want to share with you some of my favorite products that I tried. So one of them is a toner, second one is a serum, and third one is a moisturizer. So let's start with the lightest one. So the lightest one is the Kate Somerville serum. Now, so this is the packaging. That's not what you're gonna see in the store. I got this one as a lab sample from the skincare training I went to. It's Kate Somerville serum containing ceramides and omegas. So it's still gonna have a dropper, but like a little bit more fancy packaging. So this product is probably the lightest out of all of them. So if you have oily skin, layer it underneath your moisturizer and you're not gonna feel oily. But if you're really worried, you can also just wear it at night. This ingredient doesn't make you sensitive to the sun, so it can be used anytime. Product number 2 is the ceramide in liquid moisturizing toner. So this one can be used as a toner. Some people also use it as a moisturizer. And another use that I found for this is mixing a little bit with my hand lotion, and again it will help repair the hands too, because we're washing them so much right now. I think our hands need that too. So this one is really amazing, and I had it for a very long time, and there's still a lot of that in that container. Product number 3, and a lot of you know this one, is the Lala Retro Cream by Drunk Elephant. So this one is good for all skin types. It's really hydrating, repairing. Other than ceramides, it has 6 rare African oils, so you're getting extra omegas in it. Again, if you live in a hot climate or you have very oily skin, you may enjoy using this moisturizer at night a little bit more. But again, I have a little combination skin. I have no problem using this moisturizer in the daytime as well. But it's a matter of your personal preference. But if you have a dry skin, you're definitely gonna love this one. I hope you liked my video and you got some value out of it. Let me know in the comments how you like the little dirty secrets, and I'll see you next time. And remember to stay healthy and hydrated.